Do you love music and want to make money from it? Well, you're in the right place. Imagine a world where your passion for melodies fuels not just your soul, but also your bank account. Picture a reality where your insights on songs can turn into a steady income stream. No experience? No problem. Age isn't a barrier either. You can make between $20 and $40 per hour right from the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned to find out how you can turn your passion for music into cash. Imagine earning between $20 to $40 per hour just by listening to music. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Welcome to the world of SongReviewing.com, an innovative platform that offers you an incredible opportunity to make money from the comfort of your own space. Here's the deal, you don't need any previous experience. All you need is a love for music and an ear for detail. The best part? This opportunity is open to anyone and everyone, regardless of age. So whether you're a retiree looking for a fun way to supplement your income, a student in need of some extra cash, or a stay-at-home parent seeking a flexible job, Song Reviewing is your ticket to a rewarding gig. And no, you don't have to wait for weeks to get started. With Song Reviewing, you can dive right into the world of music reviewing and start earning immediately. And the best part? You can start right away. Not a morning person, or perhaps you're a night owl? No worries. At Song Reviewing, you decide when you work. Imagine the freedom of tailoring your work schedule to fit your lifestyle perfectly. Whether you're an early bird catching the worm or a night owl soaring in the moonlight, Song Reviewing offers unparalleled flexibility. You see, a minimal weekly commitment of just 5 hours. Yes, you heard it right, 5 hours. That's the equivalent of one catchy album or a few extended plays. So whether you're fitting us around your 9 to 5 or making this your main gig, we can accommodate your needs. And let's not forget the ease with which you can access your earnings. Whether you prefer a bank transfer or a PayPal deposit, you've got you covered. No more waiting for checks in the mail or complicated payment processes. So, are you ready to make your love for music pay off? What are you waiting for? This is your chance to make money from your passion. Imagine earning between $20 to $40 an hour, all while enjoying your favorite tunes. No experience needed, and it's all done remotely. Just commit a minimum of 5 hours per week and you're in. So, why not start today? Remember, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make money online.